Hello students, welcome back in my YouTube channel EduChange. Today I will teach you to learn a new lesson from standard 6th. 3.2 The Magic Herb. मित्रांनो, इंग्रजी भाषेतील शब्दांचं वाचन करणं ही एक अतिशय महत्त्वाची बाब असते. आपणा सर्वांना इंग्रजी वाचन करता यावं म्हणून हा पाठ आपण या ठिकाणी फक्त वाचनापुरता मर्यादित करत आहोत. ठीक आहे, आपण आता या धड्याचं वाचन कसं करायचं, कारण ही परकीय भाषा असल्यामुळं आपल्या अगदी कंठापासून जिभेपर्यंत सर्व अवयवांना वाचनाचा सराव व्हावा हा या पाठामागचा उद्देश आहे. तर तुम्ही लक्षपूर्वक नवीन शब्द असतील किंवा इतरही आपले जे इंग्रजी शब्द असतील त्या शब्दांचं वाचन कसं करायचं ते समजून घ्यायचा प्रयत्न या पाठातून करायचा आहे. ओके, आर यू रेडी? We are going to start reading. Knock, knock, knock. Someone was knocking on the door of the inn. It was already getting dark outside. Who is there? The innkeeper called from within. I am a poor, tired merchant. I want to spend the night at the inn, said the man outside. The innkeeper was not pleased to hear that the man was poor, but all the same, he opened the door and brought him inside. The merchant wore simple garments and carried only a simple cloth bag on his back. I have spent a long, tiring day at the market. I don't have the energy to walk back to my village. Please prepare a simple dinner for me, requested the merchant. The innkeeper just nodded and went back to the kitchen. Oh, what's the point in serving such beggarly customers? He calls himself a merchant, but look at his clothes, look at his bag. His shoes are all worn out. He has to carry his merchandise himself, cannot afford a servant, cannot afford even a good meal. He began to complain to his wife. You are right, said his wife. She was as greedy and unkind as her husband. We cook a meal for him, give him a place to sleep, and what is he going to pay in return? Just a couple of coins, maybe. Why did you take him in? Drive him out. No, no, said the innkeeper. That is not good for our reputation. But I have an idea, a very clear idea. I have this magic herb. I bought it long ago. Whoever eats this herb forgets something. We will cook a good meal for this fellow and add the magic herb to it. then he is sure to forget some of his merchandise here tomorrow. How clever you are! Exclaimed the wife. Yes, what else can he forget? He has just his merchandise with him. Maybe he will forget all of it and leave it behind here. It will surely be ours tomorrow. So, that's what the greedy couple did. They cooked a tasty meal for their customer and added the magic herb to it. The poor merchant did not suspect anything. He thanked the innkeeper for the good meal and went to bed. The next morning, as soon as the innkeeper and his wife woke up, they went to the merchant's room. But alas, the merchant was not there. The room was empty. What's this? There is no one here. And where is the bag of merchandise? That too is gone. Let's check. The magic of the herb is quite strong. He must have forgotten something. He must have left something behind. The innkeeper searched in every nook and corner of the room, but he couldn't find anything. How come he forgot nothing? I can't believe it, said he. Suddenly, the wife slapped herself on the forehead. We were so foolish. He has certainly forgotten something. He has forgotten to pay us. The innkeeper never used the magic herb again. A Japanese folk tale. New words. इन अ स्मॉल हॉटेल. इन म्हणजे छोटं हॉटेल की ज्यामध्ये आपण नाश्ता वगैरे जेवण करू शकतो. ठीक. बेगरली लाईक अ बेगर. व्हेरी पुअर. अगदी गरिबासारखं, अगदी भिकाऱ्यासारखं थोडक्यात. मर्चंडाईज. गुड्स फॉर सेल. थिंग्स दॅट अ मर्चंट सेल्स. व्यापारी लोक ज्या वस्तू विकतात ना, जे सामान विकतात त्याला म्हणायचं मर्चंडाईज. ओके. अफोर्ड. हॅव इनफ मनी फॉर समथिंग. पुरेसे पैसे जवळ असणे. अफोर्ड. ठीक आहे. रेप्युटेशन. रेप्युटेशन म्हणजे पीपल्स ओपिनियन. लोकमत, लोकांची मान्यता. ठीक आहे. व्हॉट दे थिंक समवन समथिंग इज लाईक. त्यासारखं बा. लोक काय म्हणतात याचं, त्याला म्हणायचं रेप्युटेशन. सस्पेक्ट म्हणजे संशय. डाऊट समथिंग. काही गोष्टींविषयी जेव्हा संशय येतो त्याला म्हणायचं सस्पेक्ट. थिंक दॅट समथिंग इज रॉंग. जेव्हा आपण असा विचार करतो ना, इथं काहीतरी चुकतंय, त्यावेळेस हा शब्द वापरला जातो सस्पेक्ट. सो नाऊ आय थिंक you can make a good practice of reading this passage from your textbook. So I am very thankful to all of you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel EduChange. Thank you all of you. Bye everyone.